Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a special hotel you stayed in. Now stayed is the second form of the verb. It means the topic is in the past tense. Where it is means the hotel is still located there, right? So that's why where it is. What it is like, you will talk about the geography of the building, how many rooms, triple story, double story, elevators and beautiful lawn and garden and all that. Why you went there? Why you went there means purpose or reason of your visit. Now this is past tense, why you went there, and how you felt about it. So the last two cues are in the past tense, first two cues are in the present tense, right? You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
I have visited many tourist places and lived in many hotels, but I want to talk about a hotel which is very best, and I lived there. The hotel name is Makkah Tower, which is in Makkah, the city of the Saudi Arabia. The hotel is very famous for due to his location and food services. It has the tallest. It is the tallest building of the Saudi Arabia and the 5th tallest building also in the world. The food is really good over there, and the view from the windows is amazed me, which is the view of the Khana Kaaba and the Holy Mosque. I went there to perform Hajj in 2018 with my family. So I really felt amazing and happy to live there. The food quality is very good and the services is very good, and internet facility in all the hotel, every floor.
That's it? Okay, you spoke for 1 minute 24 seconds. Between that you took so many pauses, and most of the time you were making independent sentences. Try to connect your ideas, because the connectivity of ideas is very important. As you started, you mispronounced the word hotel. You said hotel. Hotel is wrong. Hotel and restaurant. Okay? And then you said services is very good. Services are very good. Okay, and then you got to use connecting words. You are lacking fluency. There were so many pauses. Try to just speak smoothly and use a variety of connecting words. Additionally, furthermore, moreover, first of all, secondly, finally, anything like that. Okay, that will make it better. Now let's move on. We've got speaking part 3. Do the ratings of people influence their choices?
I think yes, the rating influence people. In a digital world, people look their rating before reserve any room, or look the pictures and the locations of the hotel where it is.
Okay, now this is a very short answer. You should add at least, for example, do the ratings of people influence their choice? Yes, most definitely. In today's digital world, ratings truly matter when it comes to people choice. First of all, before going to any place, people just see what is the rating of that place. How was the experience of other people who visited that place, something like that. And then secondly and finally and all that. Okay, try to speak with some energy also. Okay. Right? How do people reserve rooms in a hotel?
Nowadays people reserve room through the internet or via telephone, or sometimes people visit the hotel to reserve for someone.
Okay, now this is also very short answer. Part 3 is called discussion. So in discussion you need to say, how do people reserve rooms in your country? Well, there is a variety of ways to reserve a room in my country. First of all, people can reserve rooms online, because all the hotels have their websites, even they have their mobile applications, so people can easily book a room online. On the other hand, people can also reserve a room in any hotel telephonically, because there is a hotel directly. From there you can pick up any number of the hotel and you can call them and book a room. And finally, sometimes people don't have time to book a room. They can just go there by the time when they need a room, so they can book the room on spot as well. Something like that. Try to add more to your answers. The way you're and don't be scared when you speak. Don't be a chicken. You should be a tiger. Okay, yes, exactly. So anyways, the way you performed at present, I'll give you 5. But if you improve yourself, you can reach 6 then, right? Okay, thank you.